Statues are three-dimensional freestanding sculptures in which the realistic full-length figures of persons or animals are carved or cast in durable materials such as stone, wood, or metal. All around the world, statues have been built since antiquity. Statues are used to represent and honor great figures and deities in every corner of the planet, in every culture, or in every region. They serve as a constant reminder of the planet's Earth past, present, and future. In addition, the popular statues are essential for advancing the tourism in countries because they are tall enough to serve as the main attractions in the city or the area they are situated. There are all kinds, and some are bigger than others. Many of the statues are either representations of famous people. For example, many of the vast sculptures represent different deities of Buddhism and the Buddha himself. Others are connected to significant historical events. We have prepared a list of the 10 most giant statues in the world. Take note if you want to visit them. Number 1. Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue at 182 meters, equivalent to 597 feet. It rises 54 meters, or 177 feet, higher than the previous record holder, the Spring Temple Buddha in China's Hunan province, and is almost twice as tall as the world-famous Statue of Liberty in New York. For a sense of its height, the statue is 100 times larger than a man of average height of about 5 to 5.5 feet. The Statue of Unity is located near Kevadia in the state of Gujarat, India, and depicts Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India and an adherent of Mahatma Gandhi. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha. The Spring Temple Buddha is a colossal statue depicting Vairocana Buddha located in the Jiaozuan township of Lushan County, Hunan, China, built from 1997 to 2008. It was originally estimated to consist of 1,100 pieces of copper cast, with a total weight of 1,000 tons. This is the second tallest statue in the world after the Statue of Unity in Gujarat, India, which surpassed it in 2018 with a height of 182 meters, or 597 feet. Taking into account the 25 meters, or 82 feet, pedestal atop which it is placed, the monument has a total height of 153 meters, or 502 feet. As of October 2008, the hill on which the statue stands is being reshaped to form two further pedestals, the upper one being 15 meters tall. The total height of the monument is now said to be 208 meters, or 682 feet. The project as a whole was estimated to cost around $55 million, $18 million of which was to be spent on the statue. Number 3. Laykyun Sekkya. The Laykyun Sekkya Buddha is as of now the third tallest statue in the world. The statue of Gautama Buddha stands on a 115.8 meter, or 380 feet, throne located in the village of Katakanton, in Myanmar. Construction of the monument began in 1996 and it was completed on February 21, 2008. Laykyun Sekkya was the tallest statue in the world for a few months until the completion of the Spring Temple Buddha in September 2008. The Laykyun Sekkya statue depicts a standing Gautama Buddha next to a reclining statue of Gautama Buddha, depicting the scene of Mahaparinirvana. Number 4. Ushku Daibutsu. Ushku Daibutsu is a statue that depicts Amitabha Buddha and is made of bronze. The statue is located in Ushku, Ibaraki Prefecture, Japan. Completed in 1993. It stands a total of 120 meters tall, including the 10 meters base and 10 meters lotus platform. The statue held the record for the tallest statue from 1993 to 2008. As of now, it is the fourth tallest statue in the world and the tallest standing Buddha statue in Japan. An elevator takes visitors up to an observation floor. Number 5. Sendai Daikannon. Sendai Daikannon, officially known as the Sendai Tendu Byaku Daikanon, is a large statue of Byaku Kannon bearing a gem in her hand located in Sendai, Japan. It is the tallest statue of a goddess in Japan and is the fifth tallest statue in the world at 100 meters tall as of 2023. An elevator takes tourists to the top of the statue, which depicts the Japanese Buddhist bodhisattva canon. Number 6. Great Buddha of Thailand. Located in the Wat Muang Temple in Ang Thong Province, this statue stands 92 meters, or 300 feet, high, and is 63 meters, or 210 feet, wide. The Big Buddha of Thailand, also known as the Great Buddha and the Big Buddha of Thailand, was, in November 2018, the tallest statue in Thailand, the second tallest statue in Southeast Asia, and the 9th tallest in the world. The Buddha is in the seated posture called Maravijaya attitude. Construction of the statue commenced in 1990, and was completed in 2008. It is painted gold and made of concrete. Nearby are more sculptures which depict the gods, the kings of Thailand, and the events of the Siamo-Burma War. Also around the Buddha is a park where lotus flowers grow. Number 7. Daikannon of Kita no Miyako Park. The Daikannon of Kita no Miyako Park, also known as the Hokkaido Cannon or as the Byaku Cannon, is the third tallest statue in Japan and is the 7th tallest statue in the world. When it opened in 1989 at 88 meters, or 289 feet, this was the tallest statue in the world, holding the world record until 1991. The statue depicts Guanyin and is in the Kita no Miyako Park on the island of Hokkaido. The statue contains over 20 floors, with an elevator with floors containing shrines, 8 places of worship, and a platform providing a panoramic view of the area to visitors. Number 8. Mother of All Asia, Tower of Peace. The Mother of All Asia is a monument shrine dedicated to the Virgin Mary as a symbol of unity and peace in Asia and the whole world. The massive statue is located at the center of the pilgrimage site called Monte Maria International Pilgrimage Conference Center in Batangas City, Philippines. This is the world's tallest statue of the Virgin Mary at 98 meters, or 322.0 feet, which includes the building it stands on. Number 9. The Motherland Calls. The Motherland Calls is the compositional center of the monument ensemble Heroes of the Battle of Stalingrad in Volgograd, Russia. The statue is designed in the Soviet style of socialist realism, and it was declared the tallest statue in the world in 1967. At 85 meters, or 279 feet, it is the tallest statue in Europe, the tallest in the Eastern Hemisphere outside of Asia, and the tallest statue of a woman in the world. The statue represents an allegorical image of the motherland, which calls on its sons and daughters to repulse the enemy and return to the attack. Number 10. Statue of Gautama Buddha. The statue of Gautama Buddha is a 77.9 meters, or 255.5 feet, seated statue in Kagto, Myanmar. The opening ceremony for the massive statue was held in 2019. The statue's pagoda has 17 floors, and the height of 255 feet and 6 inches was specifically chosen because the statue was said to be completed in the Buddhist calendar year of 2556. The pagoda includes an elevator as well as a cooking area that provides free meals to pilgrims to the statue. This is the end of our list of tallest statues around the world. We hope you liked this video and we'll see you again. Thank you for watching.